My name is Brian Ford, and I'm the Assistant Athletic Director for Recreation at Drexel University. Our team has been working diligently to put together a plan to reopen the Recreation Center. The hours will be Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and then again from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. During the weekends, we will be open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can expect that things will look a lot different and face masks will be required while inside the building. The Rec Center will be open to all Drexel students, faculty, and staff. However, we will have limited availability in phase 1 of reopening. Reservations will be required. Time slots will be available in 90-minute intervals with 30 minutes in between reservations to allow for cleaning and sanitizing. Recreation staff will clean all fitness equipment following each use and every 2 hours with cleaning agents verified for use against COVID-19. You can make a reservation online. In this phase 1 of reopening, only the fitness floors will be available for use. The climbing wall, pool, squash courts, and other areas will open in later phases. Showers and locker rooms will not be in service. Patrons are encouraged to wipe down equipment before and after each use, with disinfectant wipes conveniently located in all active areas of the Recreation Center. Additionally, custodial staff will clean and sanitize the entire Recreation Center twice daily in accordance with federal, state, and city guidelines. We have also moved some of the cardio equipment to the multi-purpose courts to allow for greater physical distancing. And you will find additional hand sanitizer stations placed around high-touch areas. Restrictions will loosen in the Recreation Center according to guidance and allowance from the City of Philadelphia and Commonwealth of PA. Additionally, we are thrilled to announce that group exercise will return. We will be hosting some classes in the multi-purpose courts, which will be limited to 10 people per class, along with outdoor classes on the Fitness Plaza, while also continuing with a robust virtual class schedule. Schedules and reservations can be found on our website. Intramural sports will remain virtual for the fall term, and we will be assessing the status of club sport teams as we move into January 2021. We look forward to assisting you in your fitness and wellness goals, and we hope to see you soon. Go Dragons!